Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Chevy Camaro, stock number 17C850A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. This, of course, is a convertible. I did leave the top up so that you could see that it is a black top, different from the red. Really makes this thing stand out. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back, as well as dual-point exhaust. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Camaro on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.